she goes.
Angelica is sort of a mirror of Captain Jack. She was a little bit trained by Captain Jack.
I've always felt that it would be great for there to be a female pirate that's Jack Sparrow's match.
How is it we can never meet without you pointing something at me?
Angelica is someone that Jack had contact with in the years past, and it doesn't feel like it maybe ended up all that well.
What were you doing in a Spanish convent anyway?
Mistook her for a brothel. Honest mistake.
Jack Sparrow betrayed me and broke my heart, and I enjoy looking for personal revenge with Jack. Have you ever seen the Fountain of Youth?
I'm sorry, could you repeat the question?
She knows that to get what she wants, she has to be tricky. This is the way, isn't it?
Of course it is, but we should go around to the east.
There is no time.
You're the one insisted on bringing a bloody mermaid.
Well, the mutiny didn't help.
You walk like a girl.
You would know.
I think the word chemistry will change its definition after Johnny and Penelope do this film.
Fight to the bitter end!
Admit it, Jack. You still love me.
If you had a sister and a dog, I'd choose the dog.